Our today's topic is Boolean algebra. In any electronic machines, input and output of circuits uses three logics. Okay, any electronic machine uses for their input and output circuits some logics, and that logics are three types: and, or, not. In Boolean algebra, these three logics are indicated by the dot for and, plus sign for or, and upper line for not. So here you can see I have taken two inputs, A and B. So when these two input will come under the AND logic, it will be show like A dot B. For OR, A plus B, and for NOT, as I told you, for upper sign, it will be A upper line. So because NOT is only having one output, either yes or no, therefore both the inputs are having individual not sign, and these not sign will be used in both logic or and sign. So therefore I am showing here not A and not B. Another is not A or not B. Second important thing is, so every input R have their possible combinations. Okay, because there are two inputs, so definitely these are having some combinations. Which type of combinations? On and off combination. Sometimes this input can be on, this will be off, either this will be on and this can off. So every input are having their possible combinations. These combinations are need to make a chart or table, that is called truth table in Boolean algebra. Okay, so every circuit have two modes that we know from our beginning of the electronic study. The every circuit have two modes, on or off. Okay, so in binary we mention it with 0 and 1, there is nothing is new. So now we will see how to create the truth table for AND. Okay, for AND how we will create it. So A and B, as I told you, these two are inputs and these are the possible combinations of these two circuits. These are the combinations, means if the circuit is on, it will be mentioned by 1. If the circuit is off, then it will be mentioned by 0. So third, this letter I have taken for output. Okay, means you can say in other word A, B and C, these are the variables, and the 0, 0, 1, 1 you can see here, these are the values. So second question is arising here, how to create possible combination of inputs. I told you here are the combinations, possible combinations of inputs we have to note down in a table, but how these possibilities will be create. So there is depends on the number of inputs, how many number of inputs are going through the circuit, it will be depends on that. So the formula is to the power n. So here the n means number of input. So in this chart you can see we are using two inputs, A and B only two inputs we are using. So therefore here the 2 the power 2. So these 2 means the base of binary inputs are 2 digit 0 and 1. So here the 2 and 2 inputs. So here is the 2. So 2 the power 2 is equal to 4, means when we are inputting 2 inputs, our possible combination can be, not can be, it will be sure 1, 2, 3, 4. So now these possibilities we will write like this. So if A is 0 and B is also 0, means no circuit is here and no circuit is here, means both are off. So if both are off, definitely our output will be off. If one is off and another is on, in that case, because this is the AND table, so AND means both the input should be on, then the circuit will be correct. So here both are not on, therefore circuit will be off. In between these 2 digits, one is on and another is off, so again it will be 0, no input. In next one is on, another is off, then again it will be no input. But here in the last we can see both combinations are on, therefore the circuit will be on. Then OR logic. Okay, so we will see here the truth table for OR logic. In OR logic, if any one input is on, then output will be positive, means this or that. If any one is on, output will be positive. So let's see here, as I have taken here same A and B, the 2 inputs and the 4 possible combinations. So you can see here the first combination is 0 and 0, means no one is on, so output will be negative, means 0. But in second, one is off but another is on, means one positive is here. So if any one is positive, output will be positive. Same is here, in these 2 inputs, one is positive, so definitely output will be positive. And in last, the both are on, means definitely it will be positive. Now the not means no permission. So in this condition, if the circuit is on, because it is not permitted, in spite of that the circuit is on, means the output will be negative. That is not the correct circuit, because it is prohibited, it is not given the permission to flow the circuit. In spite of that it is on, means the output will be negative. If the circuit is off, output will be positive. So let's see the truth table for NOT logic. So NOT, as I told you, only one circuit can pass through the NOT logic. So NOT A, here, because this is the one input, so possibility is only having 2, either it is on or off. So if it is off, then it is output will be, because it is the NOT table, so it is not coming, means output will be positive. And if the after giving the NOT, if the input is going on, means output is negative. The same is here with the B input. If the input is off, that means it is positive output, and if the output is going on, then the input is on, then output will be off. Okay, so this is the not only having, it's just opposite. If it is, because it is the not, so not means no So if it is no, then the output will be okay, but if it is yes, then output will be not okay. So in NOT gate, this is only the opposite output is comes. Okay.